So most people solve this question like 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3, right? Then again 4 minus 7 is equal to also minus 3. Now minus 3 times minus 3 is equal to 9, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here parenthesis, right? So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So now 4 minus 7. Now solve this parenthesis. 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3. So multiply minus 3. Now here we have one subtraction and here multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is multiplication. Then we have to solve subtraction. So first we have to solve this multiplication, right? So now 4. Now minus 7 times minus 3 is equal to plus 21. So 4 plus 21 is equal to 25, right? So the correct answer is 25. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.